What's going on, dogs? Mr. Allen here with some more sequences here. We got some tables and some graphs. Woo! That's kind of cool. So we want to tell whether each graph or table represents an arithmetic or geometric sequence. We're not asked to write any kind of formulas or anything like that. Just, is it geometric, arithmetic, geometric? I don't know. Let's find out. First one here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's look at the a sub n then, our output, if you will, if we're thinking of it in like functions. It goes from 4 to 12 to 36. Whoa, my goodness. It's growing quite a bit there. It's not going up by a consistent amount, but it does appear to be, if I multiply by 3 to go from 4 to 12, that works. If I multiply by 3 again, right? So if you think of it like this, I'm multiplying by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, right? That checks out, man. So this means that it is geometric. Okay, so geometric. Just enough room. All right. It looks like I said geometric. Geometric. Cool. Next one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's look at these. 6 to negative 1 to negative 8 to negative 15. It looks like I am going down by a consistent amount. Like my numbers aren't changing drastically like we saw up here. Down by 7 for this. Does that still apply? Down by 7 again. Ooh, down by 7 again. So you can even write that as like minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. I'll see a lot of people notating things like that. This is arithmetic. Woo! Just fit it again. All right. Over here now. So this one, let me actually put a little, there we go, divider there, right? It looks like the graphs almost went into each other. So this one up here, what's happening? Well, I go down by 2 here and over 1, down by 2 and over 1, down by 2 and over 1. So this is going to be arithmetic. You'll find that like arithmetic looks like your linear equations, right? The common difference is your slope in a linear equation. It's important to make those kind of connections and not just think of these different math concepts as completely separate things. They all kind of relate back to each other in some way, shape, or form. Okay. Last one. Let's see here. It almost looks straight, but maybe a little curve, right? But notice that how these are spaced out a little more than these, right? So the scaling is the same, but it's like spaced a little different. So if I go by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cool. I'm going from 1 to 2, then to 4, then to 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8. I'm doubling each time. This is geometric. Geometric. On graphs, you're going to see a straight line, as you see here, whoop, and for the arithmetic. And then on the geometric, you're going to see more of like a curve shape like we see here. It's like exponential functions have that geometric, right? Whereas linear functions, I should pop some arrows on that just to be nice, right? Arithmetic functions are like those arithmetic sequences are like those linear functions. All right, there we go. We got them. 2 geometrics, 2 arithmetics. That's dope. That's awesome. And you're awesome.